Welcome back, and
All right.
we are going to start with decision making in JavaScript. Decision making in JavaScript is very important. এটাকে আমরা বলি conditional statements. ঠিক আছে?
If else, like that.
Right. So how we can do it? Let's see. JavaScript fundamentals, JavaScript. What is JavaScript file? app.js. Okay, so this is our JavaScript program. What is computer programming? Can you tell me what is computer programming? What is computer programming? Computer programming is nothing but a set of instructions. Okay, computer
A set of instructions
is nothing but a set of instructions for a computer, how it will work. So computer programming is nothing but a set of instructions for whom? For computer on how computer will work. Okay,
yeah.
so these are nothing but set of instructions. Now today we are going to work with
Some instructions.
decision making or conditional statements. Okay, now conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. We can say conditional. Let me work with multiple comments, multi-line comments. Oof. Come on. Conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. All right. So conditional statements are used to perform different actions, and it will be based on different conditions. Okay, so
different condition, different action.
Very often in America we say often when we write codes or program. Okay, we want to perform different actions on different conditions. These are theory. Okay, And to do this, we use conditional statements, and in JavaScript, we have in JS we have the following conditional statements. And these are we use if, why, if to specify a block of code to be executed. We run block of code. Execute means running the code. Okay. If specify condition is true. So we use if. Okay.
Specify
Let
block.
me put inside inverted comma to make it important. Note very carefully, we use if to specify a block of code, okay, to run if a specified condition is true. Okay, then let me just copy, paste. Now we use else to specify block of codes to be executed if a specified condition is false.
False.
So if and else play the opposite role.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, copy. We use also else if. Else if. This is else and this is else if. Again, if block of code to be executed, and if it is the condition is again false, we use else if. Okay, so else also false, else if also false. If this is false, again it will be false. And finally,
if
again
else.
we use else. Okay. And we use also another conditional statement, and this is called switch. Switch statement to specify many alternatives. Too many alternatives. If there is too many conditions, we use switch. Alternative, too many alternative block of code to be executed. Now, today we will discuss if condition, else condition, else if, these three, okay? And in the next class, we will talk about switch condition, and we will also work on some project using this. All right. So now, say for example, var age equal to 18. To go to the bar where people drink, okay, BAR.
21.
Or 21.
Yeah.
21,
Or
okay.
smoke. You can go smoke for 18.
Okay, fine. So if you drink, you have to be 21, right?
Yeah.
So var age equal to 21. Now, I can say if you are
21.
age greater than
Equal to.
uh, if you are greater than 18.
Greater than equal
If
to.
age is greater than, sorry, 21, or greater than equal to, yeah,
Yeah, greater than equal
greater than equal to
to.
21,
You will be able to enter into the bar.
I'll say 20.
Oh.
20.
Then it's gonna be false.
False. So I'll say console.log sorry, you are not allowed.
Allowed.
Then I'll say else if okay. I say else if means this will be also false, right? Else if
False. Yeah,
also false. So
false. But if should be true.
no, it should be false because
Oh,
we are saying else if is
20.
running the code if it is false. So
Oh,
it will be false also.
false. Okay.
Let's say age is greater than, let's make it 18.
18. Yeah.
20 console.log hey stop, you have to be 21 to be inside, okay? Now, else it will be true, right?
Yeah.
Now, even you can take another false condition. So there might be 2 or 3 false condition. If
Okay.
there is more than 2, then you have to use switch. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Console.log. When you are facing too many false conditions, we will be using switch, not if else, else, if else. Console.log. So it will be age greater than 18, 20, again 20. 19.
Or you can do one equal to.
Okay, that's fine.
That's okay. Yeah.
Console.log. You will say now
21.
welcome, right?
Yeah. 21 greater than.
So when everything is 18, 19, 20, that means you don't need here any more condition. After
Oh.
20, you are 21. Okay. So now we can run it. Inspect element console. Sorry, you are not allowed. My goodness. What's wrong?
You didn't write any age here in the else. You don't need to write anything. Age.
Yeah, if it is else, we don't need.
Oh, you don't need. Okay.
We don't need. Mm-mm-mm. Else if 20. It say, sorry, you are not allowed. It's running this one, right? Age is 21. It will sorry. Else if. It will say also sorry. It will also say sorry. So okay. Now what's the problem here? Age is greater than 18. Oh, it becomes true because age is greater than, right? So
Greater
it should
than
be,
80. There is some true.
no, it should be like this. Okay.
Less than 80.
If age is,
No, this is not true. If you say that if greater than 18,
so it
that
should be
means
true.
19 are allowed. So this is not true because the information you put, this is that
Age is
gotta
greater
be 21.
than 18. So it is true, right?
No.
Yeah. Age is greater than 18.
So 19 cannot allow.
No, what I am saying is age is 21. So 21 is greater. So
Greater than.
it's true.
Oh.
It's
Oh,
true.
if you write here age is greater than 20, equal, greater than equal to 21. The first one. If you put here greater than, what happens? Var age greater than equal to 21. Yeah, here.
Here, you mean
Greater than
like
equal to?
this?
Yeah, yeah. What happens?
Uh, we don't,
Oh, okay.
because we are declaring here, defining,
Already.
declaring and defining. Okay. So what we can say here,
So when we declare something, we cannot do greater than?
we can, we can,
Oh, we can, okay.
we can.
So,
So,
so here
so
we declared the var age should be 21. So does it say that 21 or more they can allow? It says only 20. You got to be 21. If
21.
anybody goes down or up, he's
So
not allowed.
if it is, this means 21 plus is allowed.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
20
Okay. I thought.
plus 21 and plus is allowed.
Oh, okay.
So age is greater than, so it becomes true. Actually, it should be 18 age. So you have to be greater than age, greater or equal. Okay. So you have to be either 21 or greater. So 18 is not greater.
Oh, yeah. This is false. Yeah.
Yeah, so it is false. When it is false, now if you run it, hey, stop. You have to be 21 to be inside. Okay. No. It runs this one. Okay.
It runs that one. Yeah.
Because this is also become true. Actually, it should be false. So it should be 19 greater or equal to age. To enter, you have to be greater. You have to be either 21 or more than 21, but you are only 19. So this is also false. Sorry, again, because the reason is we wrote wrong way. So it should be again 20 h. Okay. It should be greater or equal to. age. So it will be again now it is welcome because there is no more condition. So it means actually it qualifies. Okay. So else is executed when there is no more option. Only this is the option and this is true. That means
it will print in
this
the
guy is
console.
21. Okay. Let me go different way. Actually, it will be clear when we will discuss function, you know. But if I discuss together function and condition, it might be a little complicated. Okay.
Okay.
We can say like if I can say let x equal to 500, say for example. Let y equal to 100. So x is greater, right?
Yeah.
I can say if x is greater than y, console dot log. Better we say alert so that we can get the result here. Alert x is always greater.
It's true.
True. So it will run.
Okay.
Actually, it will run.
It will show in the console.
Yeah. Not console. It will be pop up.
Oh, it will pop up. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now,
Because
let's
it
make it opposite. 1000.
Yeah. What happens? Alert will not show.
Yeah. It will not work.
Not pop
You
up.
see?
Yeah.
It's not pop up because it is false.
False.
So I can say else alerts y is greater. Now which one will be pop up? It will, right? Because it is false now.
It is false now. Yeah.
Okay. Y is greater. Clear? Now,
Yeah.
if there is 3 conditions, what will happen? then else if. Y is greater. Y is greater, right? Here. Yes, now Y is greater.
Greater than X, yeah, but not Z. Z is the greatest one.
This is false. Here it says X is greater, right?
Yeah, X is greater than Y.
So X is not
Not.
greater, is not greater. Else, now I'll say Y is greatest.
False. Those three, all are the false now.
I'll say Z is greatest.
Yeah, this is true.
This is true. So it
Yeah,
will run, right?
yeah.
Here. So when we program, actually, we have to take decisions,
Mm.
and we need to use a lot of conditional statements. Okay.
Mhm.
So when we will need it, when we will write functions, actually, we haven't discussed yet about function, but before we understand function, we have to know conditions and for loop.
And
For loop, looping statement.
oh, look.
Yeah, we have to loop through. Okay, loop is a little complicated, but for loop and loop while, there are two kinds of loops in JavaScript. Loops can execute a block of code a number of times. Say, for example, we want to uh, print Bangladesh. Just we type one time Bangladesh and we want to print it 1,000 times. We can do it.
Mhm.
Okay, so in the next class, we will be discussing switch statement. Then we will go through for loop. So there will be two topics. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah,
Okay, fine. So see you in the next class then.
yeah. Is it possible we can do next class early, little early, like 2 hour early? Because if you start with 3:30, so it ends for us 6:30 or
We can
6?
start at 6:03 because my class ends at 6.
Oh, Sunday you have class too?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Sunday you have okay. You do not have class, I thought. All right.
Let's see
Mhm.
if I can come out an hour earlier. We can start earlier.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Just give us message. Yeah, we
Okay.
work this way.
See you in the next class.
Next class. Thank you.
Very welcome.
Bye bye.